Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, I'll give you some example of locators and CSS example. So in this video, I'll just trying to log in. We will automate this login scenario. So we have this website, and here let me close this. So first of all, you have to click on this login. Then you have to enter email and password. So I'll just find this element. So first of all, you have to inspect this element. Here, guys, I am just using this locator, directly. So I will use, you know, selector hub, and selector hub. You could see you can find it your XPath and CSS both. So I'm just directly using the XPath. So I have already created one file, okay, locator test. And here just I'm going to launch this application. And now what you have to click on this. So we can use locator, okay, and you can just pass this locator, and we have a click. We have a click function, okay. So directly, we are going to click on this. We'll find this locators, and we are going to click on this. Okay, either you can write like this, or you can also directly write like this. Okay, directly you can pass like this. Both syntax are valid. Okay, so I'll pass in double quotes. Okay, so both syntax are valid. Okay, both syntax are valid. So let me use the first one. Okay, we'll also execute this. Okay, now I have used here XPath. Okay, I have used XPath here. I have used now. Sorry. Now we'll find the element. We'll click on this, and we will find the element for login text. Let me click on this email text. Okay, email text, and you could see here we have a ID. So I'll just use here CSS now. Okay, so I will use here CSS. So now I'll just what I have to do. I have to enter so locator, and just keep in the single quotes. You can pass in double quotes also and single quotes also. No issue. But here, guys, we have to enter, right? So we will use dot fill. So we have a fill function. So here we will pass the value. This is the value we have now. Okay, and now here I'll pass it. Okay, enter. And now after that you have to also enter the password. Okay, so we will use this password. So I can also use this CSS selector one for the password one also. So guys, either you can write this line like if you want to enter some value. So locator dot fill, or directly we can also write this await dot page dot fill. Okay, directly you can use fill function without locator function. So this is our ID means CSS, and here the password is the rate 123. So directly you can use like this. Either you can write this syntax or this syntax, both will work. Okay, and now I will click on the login. I think this is the login button. Okay, so I'll use the CSS, no issue. So again, I will use here page dot. We can use the syntax await page dot click. Okay, and I will just pass it page dot click, or just pass in the double quotes. Okay, you can pass in the double quotes. Okay, so now this error gone. Okay, now this is fine. And after login this, what we can do, we can validate. We have land on, okay, on the home page. After doing this validation, we will just will validate this. Okay, this we will validate this slide image. Okay, so let me, we have a CSS selector. We can directly use this, or we can also use this. I'll do one thing, guys. I'm not sure. I will find the exact locators. Okay, this is the exact locators. I will use this image one. Okay, so let me check it's a displayed or not. So here I will give you some assertion. So assertion, we will use await page dot locator. I will use this assertion. This is your CSS, and now I will return on this. I will store in one element. Why I will store? I'm going to storing home page, my home page. I will let you know, guys. Okay, don't worry. So now we will use aspect. Okay, and aspect, we will pass this variable where these locators are coming, and we have a assertion we have to be visible. Okay, we have a to be visible assertion, and now I'll just write await page dot close. Okay, that's all, guys. So that's all. Let me try to execute this code. Okay, so npx playwright. Okay, test. You can write file name locator locators test dot aspect dot js, then hyphen hyphen project equal to chromium, and hyphen hyphen headed. I will execute in the headed mode. Let me execute. Okay, So guys, I will execute this code in the headed mode. So now we have npx playwright test, and we are just giving here file name and hyphen hyphen project chromium and hyphen hyphen headed mode. Okay, so I will execute in the headed mode. If we will click on this, so now, and it's a little bit fast, and you could see our test is fast. Okay, so let me see the report also, playwright. So report. Okay, and let me show you the report. So this is the, we have a report. Okay, you can see all steps are passed here. Okay guys, so that's all for today guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.